Greetings. In this video we are going to look at how you can take panoramic images from your mobile phone. So first you go to your camera on your phone, click on the camera icon, and then you stretch and move on to see the different options that you have there. If panoramic is not among the ones below there, you can click on more and then you click on panorama right there. So after it sits in the panorama setting, then you're supposed to follow this yellow line as you take your image. Okay, the arrow will be pointing, and so to begin that, you first click below here to start. So to start capturing your 180-degree or panoramic image, you follow that line, the direction where that arrow is with the yellow line, and continue with it. Okay, make sure you follow that arrow and continue and continue and continue and continue until it completes. Okay, then you'll see it being saved in the bottom left here where your images are. So if you want to take any other, again you do the same process. Okay, take another one. So for example, to take another one, for example from the car here, again I'll click there and then I'll take the direction where the arrow is pointing across that yellow line. Make sure you're able to capture it well. Continue, 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 like that. Right, and once again it's capturing. So just to see even to see what we have done, click here and and as you can see, this is the first one that we took, and this is the second one that we took. So that is how you take panoramic images or 180 degree images with your mobile phone.